Hello, people of internet. Today is Saturday, and I was about to finish or polish a little bit the project for the Simple Radio, but I got a better idea instead. One reason why I have this better idea is my views are down, which is unusual for Saturday. Usually I have very good views. People, they are relaxed and they watch the crap that I'm saying here. So I have a better idea, so I'll come back to you to show you my idea. Okay, so the idea is related with the choice. The choice is this. Where were we? The choice, yes. Let me get to the choice. I'll walk to the choice. Okay. And I'll start the choice. Well, good choice. I know I have a Honda hat, and I'll explain what's the story with the hat. Okay, very quick about the hat. I'm wearing this. I'm a Honda fan, so you can see behind me, and I have two other Honda motorbikes. So the common belief is that people which rides they ride BMW motorbikes, they're all assholes and things. And so every time when I'm going on the BMW and I park the car at the bottom of the parking lot, I'm putting this hat on so people, they don't know that I'm actually riding a BMW. I'm not ashamed, but I like to hear their stories and their impressions about entitled people. Anyway, so we are not going to talk about motorbikes or BMWs or this kind of stuff. What I want to talk about is about AI in modern engineering. So there is a lot of fear, especially amongst young engineers, that AI is going to replace engineering and we are going to lose our jobs, and they are wondering if they should go towards engineering or not because of the AI. Now, my take is that AI is just a tool. It's not going to replace engineers. And I'll tell you why. Because imagine that it's a company which makes hardware. Let's say it makes motherboards or something, right? Some electronic product. And they have a bunch of engineers, right? And they have hardware and they have software and all that. They're not going to fire people, half of the department, and replace them with the AI agentic stuff. And I'll tell you why. Because you can't just put the whole work of a department on a shoulder of one person. That person is not going to work there. So let's make a simulation here, right? Let's say it's a guy which is, he knows a bit of firmware development, he knows hardware, he knows how to make PCBs, and the management, the layer above him, they figure out, okay, if we give this guy a AI tool and some budget, he can actually do 5 people's jobs. Well, he's not going to do that. Because the moment you do that, and he will realize that he's actually working for 5 people, he's going to ask for more, or he's going to leave and set up his own shop. So companies are systems. They don't want to rely on one person, one clever guy. No, they want to have departments with different people with different skills. And if someone goes and they have to be replaced, the whole show doesn't stop. They're not going to have one brilliant engineer which is going to use AI and the whole company is going to just wait for that guy to make the next big thing. No, that is not going to happen. So don't worry about that. AI, yes, it can help with productivity, it can help with some boring tasks, and it may bring a bit of focus on some parts of the project. But engineers are not going to be replaced. I don't see that happening. Okay, that's my view. So I think the youngsters, they shouldn't be very worried about this. Now, don't replace learning with AI, because you have to go through learning. So you need to focus on learning, because learning is learning. It has nothing to do with AI. You still need to learn the principles. You still need to have the practical skills. AI is going to help you there, but is not going to be a substitute for learning. So you have to be very careful not to replace learning with AI, because that is going to create a... Imagine that you do that. Let's say you do that. You're lazy. Say, I'll cut corners here. You use AI. I don't fully understand what I'm doing, but in the end, it's all going to be fine. Well, be careful, because someone is not going to do that. Someone, as in another fellow, your peer, he's not going to do that. He's going to learn, and then he's going to use AI on top of what he learned, and he's going to cut you off. He's going to chop your legs. So very, very careful. Use AI at what you have to use AI, and keep learning. That's my piece of advice. Okay, so yeah, that concludes my video. I'm a bit tired after this week. I probably worked too much, and that's why I went on the motorbike. So yeah, enough working. And I made this AI, because I can see young people that they get worried, and I don't think they should be. So guys, go with the flow, enjoy life, and I shall see you in the next one.